shock on all of your faces. Craig.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Okay, so they're all going to be here singing live next Saturday, but for now, massive thank you to our singers, the voice bands, and our coaches. Gavin Rossell, Sir Tom Jones, Jenna Matson, and Will I Am. The party is never yet. Kel Spellman and the coaches and all of this lot are going to be in the big room. It's going to be loads of fun. Go online, find it. We'll see you here next week for the semi-final at 8:30. Thank you for watching.
What a night, and go to st.tv/The Voice for performances and all the extras from the show. Tonight's news is next. The Channel will drama Lethal Weapon at 10:45, followed by classic action adventure in Afghanistan. Rambo 3 is tonight's movie at 11:30. Tonight now at 10:30 on STV, the latest national weekend news and the weather.
Under the table, just stare at it. It's right there. Right.
No buts. Nicola Sturgeon insists Scotland will get another referendum. Today she again ups the ante on independence and sent the message loud and clear to Theresa May.
The people of Scotland
Oh, here she
will have
goes.
a choice. There will
coming.
be an independence referendum.
She's coming for it.
Also on the programme, a terror suspect is shot dead at a Paris airport after attacking a soldier. It happened as William and Kate met the victim of another French terror attack who survived despite being shot 7 times. And England lift the Six Nations trophy, but Ireland crushed their dreams of history and a double Grand Slam.
This is OTV News with Kylie Penslow.
Yes, Nicola Sturgeon today set out her conditions for a second Scottish independence referendum. She said she would be willing to discuss the date, but insisted that there would be a second referendum one way or another. Addressing the SNP conference, the First Minister said Scotland would not be dragged out of Europe against its will, and she warned Theresa May to think again about her decision to block a referendum before Brexit. From Aberdeen, our Scotland correspondent Peter Smith reports.
This week, Nicola Sturgeon started the march toward another independence referendum. Her supporters have rallied to that call. Today, they awaited instruction. The Prime Minister says they won't get their vote before Brexit, but to the delight of the SNP, Nicola Sturgeon begs to differ.
After the terms of Brexit are clear, but while there is still an opportunity to change course, the people of Scotland will have a choice. There will be an independence referendum.
This is a bold statement given she can't deliver a legally binding referendum without the Prime Minister's consent. But this week, the Scottish Parliament will vote to start negotiations with Theresa May.
So weird.
In what looks like a constitutional impasse, a former Prime Minister has also waded in today.
Scotland should have the power to sign international treaties. I'm proposing changes about the powers the Parliament have. I'm also proposing there be co-decision making in areas between Scotland and the rest of the United Kingdom. But I believe that's where the majority of Scottish people will come down. When this is explained as a third option that is neither the extremism of all-out independence nor the status quo, which is unsatisfactory now.
If you're having a sudden feeling of deja vu just now, that's because Gordon Brown has intervened like this before. Just a few days before the 2014 independence referendum, he proposed giving Scotland more powers.
The world is hearing the voices of the real people of Scotland.
The SNP called today's intervention Groundhog Day. There was little interest in that speech. They say he's just a former MP now, and Labour, now third in Scotland, are in no position to deliver anything. For the SNP, there is no third way, only the Nicola Sturgeon way. And they are utterly convinced now, in spite of everything Theresa May has said, their referendum is just a matter of time.
It's still
He
going.
said this has been an extraordinary
Yeah.
between Nicola Sturgeon and Theresa May.
Yeah.
Where do you see it all going?
What a whirlwind week it has been. It started on Monday, of course, when Nicola Sturgeon May called another referendum. We expected that was coming, but the timing caught almost everyone by
Just hear
surprise.
it still going.
On Wednesday, the Prime Minister said clearly, no, you cannot have the referendum until you've dealt with Brexit. Now is not the time. This is actually cost politicians, but we're seeing them.
I don't know, I think she's killing it. What's happening? What's going on now?
And Nicola Sturgeon will be on the Preston on Sunday.
What's your moves? 100% legit moves.
Say a man shot